Dini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV yaba Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedim Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba Amansane
right ebusia ye mamo ajo na emu akwaba ere ye fiada asada kese enko ema de obo soro na asase so ene dia ya trans ne fie bojaye ensema koso di akotene na watwi free juada ebesi ne ya trans ne ya samine nyina up on Sinopi meaning ere se Mike on behalf of the crew yam faster amount so nyamre na ohwe mo vancha ye say ya from 10 minutes ebesi mo pa ye ndile kra ebe ne kama atumi ede amone nsam no ados na efiada na nse obi a se o mani mo aye den sikasma ye basa o mo first pa kwa na mo hia ye a na mo tepe ye kwa na mo ja tepe manager say bro be 2 years kra you say minor kasemu pa no aye den seriously the name few minutes ye be din komo afa sikasem ho na ye hunu se omremu ya den sei a kwa be na wo se fa so a etu sikasem say na de wo se bu no ananka so nko ho no bu an se kabo na okobo awuram ebrem se no ye project bi a eye edan ana a bi a sika bi ense dan free mu ensan emma ana se sen na isitibejamre na etumi edi ho enkomo nti nei financial management part 3 ebenya mre na etimi de ho nkomo na afi wi a ye bawura mu e won sama hodo a akamu wonim say the president of the republic 90 yan kan say almost 94 million US dollars sika yensa e kan ye starting from 2016 JDM era Pokuasi interchange ene wampani ba behwe ama ya ne kama ama ne Ghana wampani na nada wakufu ado beme na bomodin akọ na akọ biano a ene Pokuasi interchange no sorry officially obiano ebetumi ayusu and in the West Africa is the largest interchange yewo ewo West Africa ebenyamre na yetumi edi ho nkomo the cost of the interchange compared to other interchanges ayewo Ghana ya na say value for money saying ena ho nsam esiti so ena empanifo committee empanifo abasa mo transfer ewo adwira nsensem si ye Oprempa Assembly Hall eno wadi ho nkomo ukura na ye ho ya wade ho na nso kopiem ho and we can tell you say ekoso but nsam no edu bi wa na ye say commission anka samo ye bu ansam no kura wie is almost say ensantwa for the saa na yete na o commissioner edwa ba ya se be busa say the nsam siko ye na anka ye hunu ne puma sibre na utumi ka ensantwa for the saa no mote na ye say de ye nyu wabu awie nti ama the interest ana ye di akire pa nsam ne chaase no after say Erasmus Bedu ewakoma ne witness account nsam a empanifo no eka ye no ebu nsantwa do no abamu ma ne ukọ ha se de ukuada no na yebusu ho no eni eso atepa me hu se o enkosi aga anwe ya mo komodi ka fo madwen dada wa ebenya mre na nsem akoso won so no etumi adi hu nkomo wonu se asojafo a omukodi nsemfunu ewo wa ema amanfo gogota mu bu nkrofo no ade se from the military high command no ya twe omo e de omo asensan ama eni yedi motu omo enti na rank no ewo A na 2 e do B na no na Ghana Bar Association ye ka se da bi eno nko ano ensi hɔ a ɛwɔ se edo mo famra kwan so pa na inhuman actor omo ye nso no etimi ede asotwe kese e ma omo enfa mo court na emra ene omu ni ebenyamre na no so nkomo yetimi edi na afi de bebo mo my Ghana a ene obi a gene sere ene abasa eye the issue of payment salaries to the president wives and the vice president wives omo twamu ene omo so na yesa backdate ebi kura argument ne say what informed the decision say Yemfanko January 2017 we say Nadu Mills ni kunu ba 209 ono so adwuma sa since that time no dia na Yemfanko that time no ana liman ya ngo ka say liman so yere na Yemfanko say obere liman be president ni ntua na kamfri sa abre na mi sa abre nsam na bebre enyamre na ye de ho enkomo na mo fa ncheme na e wo say ye ne the member of parliament for Menchia North constituency Honorable Akwasi Kunadum na etumi Asia na and then MP for no de biase na ne wose no musia na etumi no modin komo enso ne bibinti Honorable Akwasi Kunadum kra de ade se otokokoso eno no ewo meeting ti no wantumi ameka yen senti mo fa nche pa you make up to you next week na ne benefo mi no so what me Asia but all in all amanyefo no ewa ha benyamre na yetumi edi ho enkomo ba before then aka kire say ne mo yeten to be frank with you say me try ka na mu nyere na me boa o ampani first 4 years no na ye ne ma ye okay by mre wo mu de mframa pa ye fa ye ho no enya agro ne mo yeten pa sika kwa atwe wo adwuma kora no akatua no kora yeten bi se sika ense da me benyamre na yedi ho enkomo wo say nyame ya adoma acha kora no ye Monday na wona woboa amaya kan Ghana for me kire national population and housing census no ne de na abawie nanso numerators and food supervisors no mo bofu pa adan ya mo je adwuma ne yanyu ye betra baabi ne atwetwe be nkrata so no ane se ahwe fiwe ko mo ye sei me cheke fie mo ye ne ba be 18 na wa ha me mo bia ma mienu nka ho na me mfa we no office no mo nyusu he said no to officer urging input no de bia ma na 700 Ghana cedis you no re fi man krama e pam no on e ma no 110 Ghana cedis na mo say you know na say na me ane atwe 150 ane am 110 40 na fine o mo say o mo ntia na ntia ni bi bedi nkomo na mo consent omo e de ba ha e ya kuma wuti bi me den e de say Mike aseda enko enfama God's Way Casket Shop, Madam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center, Awa Travel and Logistics, afi Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic, and afi aseda bi so enko Kumawood Trading Institute. So mo so aseme de dwumade no etumi e de abro agentre no voice note WhatsApp message o de befa numbers e good screen ase no ye nyamre abo akenkan etumi e de amount sadwe de nyamre na etumi SNP regional president e de credit unions, national organizer credit unions, and afi manager Asumdue credit union and a financial expert Kumawood TV ye wo on the CDP show so do brave say ya near to example buzan say again den and it may survive buzan ya kradia ina na bia de hombejim ne brante bi so bi say ne watere no ama opi kwa na ye den e say kan no ye kwa e kan kodu ba bia na de asiwo ne afa toto so e duru bia na afa to aso kofie ade ntina wo say basa o ma ne no na say na amere manager transe e ma na kwa ba na afie ni nkomo fa ye nsebra ye nyamre enkenkan entumi emfa ema manager kwa ba
ya mini ya
bi abako de
bi abako
bi akoso kama de
so da Roma bi abako
imoye de se de make yana
but that's dedika the chiama atiefo ne ahwefo mo hwe Kumawood TV so
good
e cho bia e ba show to sakra
sure
enne ye pe na duma so e de kudi ba bi kakra da bia be kase e free adebo ahyase e mere mu nyemere da
oh bye 4 years ago ne mu
da bi o e ya na
manager
Pamela
manager 2017 2018 2019
so also before also a factors a contribute to 2017 18 19 20 now factors as a contribute to 21 going
na last year kwana covid wo mu no
na
no kana nya din say
you know I now economy because all team be equal for say as na me ye ayi bi kire obi say for say bia we sorry worker bosum bia compare you take 1200 who beginning the month of that is 2 months no o salary no one you know one space say e bia obi be yare now of sudden now obako school adabo obatiko e ko so 200 Ghana on plan budget
okay
and be fate income also managing for the rest of the 31 days no
okay
because 200 na is free out of salary mo no e ma wo sakra aba
okay
because period of 31 days no san o man Ghana no ya je 2019 2020 budget no ya fata COVID-19 ya fata ni na man nim say it will happen into us
na Ghana nkwane bae
there be Ghana no can't be our approach here when say can't be Africa to be third wave we are not in the third wave why because we started a precaution area on only na no fata say a contribute to all these things adba no ebia for the beginning of the year you scared money 20 million Ghana COVID aba I say so ya na edipatini ka no call duma ina COVID aba entem it is kebia I am planning ya ku ye free out of year budget the mama ho chama baby and the Ghana economy no ebe ti mess in peak price in 2022 I'm telling you for the fact say it when you peak period pa 2022 June going
na say say am e ho 1 year
that's the even Germany a professor making obi busa na say na or say conference by no economy also people are dying talking about inflation in economy we are losing life you're talking about inflation in economy for what the whole Germany but Chancellor Angela Merkel I say we are losing souls you're talking about GDP for what reasons it's never done anywhere because omano reserve say omudu to nyina no ya bawram normally budget about
COVID ba
ye budget e ka say o budget ya budget means expected revenue ka only ka menya ana menya you we expect out of your budget e be ka on your surplus budget e ka ba on your deficit budget it happen to companies they begin the year no companies to people my staffs and ka your budget on if you was a my expenditure cost
yeah
we for staff salary because you get to go to come say ka do talk to no COVID-19 abe consume. That's a watch now.
Okay.
Now, no politicians, they don't know how to tell the Ghanaians about this. But now, they have time to educate the entire population about the COVID-19 impact.
And say, and only say,
recently, look at the English Premiership, especially Liga. Barcelona, which check revenue.
Oh, sure. Why not?
Manchester, because COVID-19
yeah.
Because some of the
there's no ground.
You season take with this.
Okay.
COVID-19 about season take with that. Take the total. There's a ban to go to sports to watch team revenue. Okay. Also, you are not yet TPS. So, team California Kotokwa. The COVID-19 buy no. And yet, a global pandemic. And you be all say I say the African first say Ebola. And we are happy to a few African countries. I was had here this particular region in the Yamanaji. But where it across every state or every nation of the world.
Okay. Wonya manyuni nti me no nkwa ha nti ene na covid yaba na yenyina ye hu se ene mo aye den obi e kan bi se ne mo aye den no den na wase ye kakra ye wo ho no kwame na emfa so nyusu
ina me ka se wo the economy me ka se all team be ko say must want satiabo
yeah
me too dey prepare the open no our salary cannot afford the do me more there you have to control expenditure. Can I make good use of it? Sika. Especially Africans, you know. That's what I'm here to come to be one of the channels or foreign channel be. America now in New York alone. Also they have about 54,000 restaurants. And why? You come out of the Abafono. About money is stressful. They spend 95% about the restaurant. 85% of them they eat outside. And your lifestyle. What about we Africans? Last time they are yebucha so na etimi manage resources. And then some of the Africans like change you have to say you never phone call. As you say salary here be 1,000 Ghana a month. Scar o uniform 31 days. Now go to before my breakfast for the Ghana. Just to grab be on because of money money. You manage your resources according to home expenditure.
If you manage you crowd. You crowd you sort crowd manage you.
Can I say obia salary mean obia the salary the year below 500. Okay say obi die. Hey. My brother. Who did tell me?
Not him. Ofaka.
Oh, my brother.
If you are not what in fear.
Now one thing about we the Ghanaian of today the youth. And then you depend on the only solely your mental work. Me be a manager, me a monthly salary worker. It's a family. It's a family. Oh,
as I said now.
That's how I said there. Ghana say ultimately no just let me a dog. Okay. So who did you see what soon crop say? Ultimately depending only on your salary. And what farm say and I catch for farming.
No, but the point is that
let's say I catch for
no take armed forces watch that there. I better be knowing how farm.
Weekends maybe we call be once a month.
Okay.
Family is a who call for no.
After be about
after show no one gentleman friend from what's the region. Okay. What's it what there? We teaching what you after show no. Now almost salary ko timi community on na matter. Okay. The was a cocoa farm. To call, I'm saying, oh, this we upon earlier. No, I saw motorbike to over close to 30 minutes. Okay. Farm no share to say, no, if you so say be one. And so I thought I'm top. You know, on our deep freezer. Okay. You say, oh, ice box. To so almost also making money. That's kind of the food. Okay. I'm saying, fantastic idea. Teneno. Oma enimu no oma bia ni wa emomre but the country be wa na Ghana call we are lucky you Ghana we are lucky 5 cities utonya nice meal dia oba me can't be 5 cities it can take you if you cook But you know, they control expenditure. Like a personal discipline.
A personal discipline.
Abrabono. Na say no MP for say mo talk kai.
Yeah.
Fair from MP no dey can dey example. So ko parliament no so on no jikalo no bi da.
Okay.
Because no so on no. Okay.
We here no.
Saka no here. O no be say for crowd si fie on trem. But MP also be free but no ni bi. MP so more northern part of Ghana ne western north. To transfer Accra to western north. One year 4x4. The MP no ko be to the kind say. Ti no akoji bi. But MP bi wa wo dey Accra. Nko to so wa. Me am nko for such a car no. Me dey me no papa to wa Accra. Me you Accra. What should I go for this? Maybe na mo be am say business there I can go for. But me MP a. Me tell Dr. Kubo so no say ono only a pick up the you go for a pick up rather than V8. When say you know only Accra. If you be here, you say you control your normal. And o man bia no, e na fa say eduma so normally no, o man bia economy bia na egro. Egro bia na enema yeden. Because any pay do so no, enema boba ko so. E da on be yeden. Sada mo nyina ni nyina na no bia enti ni nyina go ba say wo nipa no. Te ke bia bia no tibi to baby. Service there. Hey, no matter how much you are being paid every month. Utuminya win for bia hwa. O ma be mo you to ho.
Is it they are saying?
Oh, e dey ya e be du busum dey
na wa sa kai.
Oh, e dey ya me dey metro bia. Metunya bi.
Okay.
E dey ya be du busum so dey na yakopon
to me, sure.
E bia na first e ba bia said 10 ya. E bia na be 5.
Okay.
Until you have to manage the 5. Until you know, any panel, also ye pay a dream say. Also, it's one now. You know, but you know, first corner, Tafa plot, it to be 20 Ghana. And another one to be. How down 20 Ghana, one more day. That's what I mean, boss now. I say, I told you, Ramsey.
Yeah.
Around 2000, 2001, today, and no series.
Wow.
And the wife said no one to be. But after corner beside the United 100,000, which is 10 Ghana. Beside 100,000.
We have 10 months.
Then I could talk plot of after the canon say
10 million.
1 million.
1 million.
The what? But I could talk 1 million plot. What's that, you know? And go baby, they be a channel. And team, if it was a blues, what? No call. They be 2 Ghana for say. Eduma we bia no emnam de emnam emrada enkroma say
whatever
backwards never so to ade we ene 2 cities here but don't expect so you can go and buy 2 cities
yeah
emre ko ni bia my day but you have to control ourselves manage our finances well hey on penny beba ebeko you can survive in the every economy
okay nti self discipline
yes.
And here, pa.
It matters in everywhere.
In your thought,
yes. Eh? What's that? But me some Mr. Chips. Then a Bonia rice cooker. Now I'm saying they made rice cooker because they want to save money.
Okay.
Hey, no more. It to as it to go.
Libre.
What's the one association? That's it. Bonino. What Tracy will say, I will say, it means save money. I don't move 2 cups, no, 2 cups. And then what I if I take technology, ma. More 10 cups, and 8 months in the bed, 10 days here, you didn't even 3 days. Oh, but for they was add value and save money.
Okay.
We'll be not your love. I said to go 2 cups. Because 2 cups don't get the following day. Tiani yam planning yam ya de bia no because any more day. E bia no ko to mo 5 kilos to no. Tete cities. Parce o manage ni ya. It will not trade you as 10 days. So you go and buy another rice. No, that's can what save you. See now about say ya manage on ya plan ye but the financial management there no what you na as like a map a gajo for say bia me to e me hwe be say na megia me ko je flat flat no ne boarding yen say na o man dan boarding cost of rent very high me ko je rent e bia be say 5,000 because after the minister don't bakoji loan be say so yes ya me could share rent of 5,000 sanam nyina dia fata sanam nyina interest say ka ban ye wo lobi o Ghana ko abikoso a ehon ne hwe ere ha na ehon no bebe mu go okay ehon no mu nye advance of rent monthly e bia monthly bia tua 10 series e ma since no ehun ha makra
dan say ye no just
now for time bia 3 years
ada akutua
that's kind of business aside your job na no more other income na a cushion to grow well in life the whole na ye no baby no ye lacking kakra okay ti penifo na di o man no so ntime hye mra bi and ko se kwa Ghana ni mpre wo no ska na obi ska na akutua advance no ye no mai isa ye the cause of our own enemy abane bra ba say twere ye ntua advance bom so because da bi mi de bakotua so one dey boama etiba achieve this goal
sa ba no kan order no ka sa ade
o kan abane fo akamra no let's control o money to ko ba bia ko check every household say na rent dem say mark say na dem say Wallace o le to be dem you be na citizen no ye boa the law enforcement agency na the landlord bi am ko amintua obi ko amintua ono ebaje monthly rent
okay manja afi yen hwe we na bia yen fancy na yen hwe next week sabri ade na o se disika business best side of disika ko wura mu madam for be frame so o china na me adma me ne missing focus site me say emere yi mu so e bi ni ho me so me ne den at this time that is uni zika pa business mbu bi pa so o cost so
and so one factor cost a lot of Ghanaian businessmen and women and then see and then we say ko trem and na ai unu obi ani ai competition say or say me sit down within 2 years
so if one na higher no
that be
landlords no
o better day unya si bi de tama na me kwa na fro na me bo ka me say if you will be a kire no unya si bi de if you will be a ha adwene now unya de asobo fo say if you will be a kire no unya de asobo fo say usu di a e mo say if you will be any wa o kire no because the cost of putting up a building no is not easy
okay
because I is stressful e draining to be fear we no basasana na bia nakoma ho na investment some lay woman say woduma nya I will not advise to say oda nwusi say o kon tema me kon twice in a year
okay
o set bia out of o salary no you can set a project savings or savings because ratio na the savings no e do so
yeah
you either 4:6 3:7
okay
and you also take the same train there you call you know what do you call it it's 7:3 no 3 no 1 year or tight
okay
and the young point be gateway amount now 2 no I will composite service
okay
the 2 no just transfer okay 2 no na me fa bia 1.5 eye savings 0.5 no fa nye a project savings maybe me wife bi me me die every month bi ano this salary a but see baba until 3 months time na yine elekoda no 3 months time na ono na mo edai
I do okay
ke koda no one it can work ti biru na another 3 months so side aba to say it mean ewie edai
okay
nti wonu bi eka no wo so manage ni ya bi ada no so jedu uja so nsuo sei no ti me de wa o ma mo time e bia 0.5 na e to ba bi no e ma mo 6 months bia na ko da no
okay
eno fetu word that say every month we are order no and they can say BBC pay how much
nti yɛn fa sika no enwura ba bia be profitable am ya this time no
this time dey
dan said ba ko say bia yɛn fa hwe emma
farm say of late like I say farm here one of the lucrative area but you to know of the day no and share no so
okay mo ama ha say ewura mo ne bia benya day bi na
ginger ni maize who dua bro ni ginger e say Ghana no cover the buy enti no ara East Africa to see na hana be omo food hub
okay
you be bia wo mo ko wa that's my extra income
okay abuja ugoso Sinupe live on Kumawu television ya ne Ura James Safo we national organizer at the credit unions and I din komo ahwe se ebre mu odin sei no ana mo to be na wasi tu office kase mo se de be ya e won kiri e kura man ko gbobi se enko ye okro no ko ni be ebre wo mo bokro no adwuma mu a na nka nyoma attitude no nanso no ahokire no wa ba no control bi en control na obi so okum obi akoji sika eno de otumi se ono an selfish interest but ahokire genuine one organic one pan so ho e bia itimi so tie futu nya away from expert education from expert ebetumi aboa pa ama anamonto yitu no yatumi etu di ama sika sem etumi yegina mo ano mo chaade no so mo jae no ahokire na bade bet mamunyai so krofo ha mo ye ne sa ha adwen pa ama nei yes uze mo ye mo budget to this well manja ye na ye wrap up again I would be chat to another ama na phone number so to jodi ka phone number no to jansa ona number na say 0246 58 70 69 0246 58 7069 ntie bia na open futuo bi bozo bi adwuma na apɛ ho futuo akwankyerɛ we ya asɔre sɔfo kura apɛ sɛ unya akwankyerɛ how to manage your finances obɛ sɛ bia unya no so kura na at least wa asɔre obetu mo fon so a Ghana bia ade mo frɛ no a ɔbɛba mmerɛ ho nko a ɔbɛba na ɔyɛboa kwa be fata bɔ kɔmha wo fie kura no obɛ sɛ ɔboa na otumi bɔ kɔmha wo fie yi a star strategy no ɔde aboa yɛ pa me nei ɛho ɛkɔyie pa de ma yɛ pa manya de ɔde twa to amai
na me ka ayi one thing about ye Genesis no be who say about your car no ka bi wa e ponzero e buzi wa yo
yeah
if we record car kwato okoto car won hwe ni salary car no no consumption no to car
sem no abosu
ni nyina no bi wa hwe ni ya it go affect who salary what's on money
yeah to ya nasa
VAT wo depend the car bi our class of people to
the engine capacity no
and also car c'est vous parce que bien il y a autre chose et puis quoi là on vous dit comment ça soit trop puis quoi là on va tenir un unique traffic moi na au school
okay
ko to ka ye 2.0 ka going e mo e be dweni o salary mo so say o money money e go to 1.2 e hono unya to te ga du ko guma de o du ko school ba mo be bia no o hwe asrewa o no ho onu prebu ti yaso no bi ye ganies no edi ma ye bia no obi for say satia enyepe
okay
obi duma depending the salary so you making good use of our salary you can make earnings every day you know be now we so me adam you know more na the salary nduru ana no so to sifi make us abofo no they spend they eat sorry almost spending 95% only do outside
okay
now don't control my over survival in this economy
there be abeko a year but they no abonten a there be the bronze
so na abay
15 cities
and so abay Ghanaian culture e ba to you papa mo ma me no e bi didi ye bi tia so
ketu e bi no
e bi aka and pana save breakfast money
okay
oh di no be no
right
yes try you anu ni enu ti nyina ai farasi management dey the key element is self discipline
okay
and planning
right self discipline and planning o de to kotodwem na tu ho na mo abetumi abo pa ma daachi bi obeka say o he Sinupe kwa at least watching Sinupe on Fridays ebo a ma wotumi tutu sika enti ko enimu na no mfa so ba so a na o me hunu say o education e de ma no o de adwuma ama tumi abo manager numbers no bi 0246 587069 0246587069 ofre no a afutu bia no obetumi ade ama manager ye na ase
Yo.
Next week so weba.
Baba.
When disappointed.
Oh, that is.
That ya wo ye no.
To enemy na to be a or to eduma yi. Ti edobi ase say. Ye de ye ho. Inyina no adesua de in back for trim. Ti edobi ase with all the managers. Dem was why next week Wednesday.
Na eye we ro bo ase no.
Ebi ye be ye staff training baba so I about and they postpone.
Oh, okay.
The Yabako Cape for national conference.
I don't hear next week.
And somewhere 10th week of November.
Next week in the here.
Next week the Friday the general meeting, chapter meeting.
Okay. I was Santa.
Oh, in office.
Oh, okay. Next week.
Friday in a week.
Send next week in the bay, you know.
From around 9 to 12 near week.
Okay. Okay.
The show be able to form a my name is staff of Pastor Union.
Okay.
Now all the managers across the country, especially Ashanti region. All the managers.
Okay.
It will be
right. Yana say St. Peter's. Auntie Reggie.
I tell you,
St. Teresa's. Yeah, St. Teresa's. Yenchia. Well, manager James Safo, Asumde Credit Union, national organizer, credit unions, and Ashanti regional president, credit unions. And Ote Nenka, and the Yenchia ho, and ya boy from Crackton, my ba, ye ba remu, now 3 months and some MPs. Sika de mo makotokas asanya wodo sanso na the issue of sika de akatua ye de ma amampani fo yerenom ene abedi akire fo yerenom na afi yabawura mu ewo adwata chidma se de siye na afi poku ase interchange eno so de wampani akwakoye ne no etime nyamre edi ho enkomo se walas ababio administrator NDC ofia sanso na Michael Boateng enso eye ofori krom communication officer for the NPP regional communication team member and also Ufia Eba to aso na yes lupi
animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke achi no wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me me ne da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on nanteda oda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na daso ebia na ne tachere ma fe na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina ono o sa glue ankasa nkra no o sa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na ono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be ko say abaye mremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwau atibie tienie kwau atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwau atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
and yaro do ben and agini peduano aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadum wato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo Tahrid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu ya nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ne titiw e de ma emma wono ma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic e wo Kumase Asante Mantembu edi ne wo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
well all pia obusia say free mu why the den it be slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ya den ma me ti we na na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye tigma na ma me why slower
ebusia yenko Kumase
mko Kumase
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy, Minia, or Brapon to Yao. 7 and a half, I am curtain and Yasha Dion. Your penny, Mammy, 7 and a half, Padak, Marcia, Ginny, someone that's why. What's Yammy? We need problem cry. Who made this? I'm afraid to buy, but to Ghana. And I'm in a confidential. What one animal said to me, tell you the problem. So, I will bring them in the capre or do open a time with Ghost Lake Casket shop. I will Kumasi labor hire. Me call Honoma. I know what's me. Yes, can't you say you? You would have been Chawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a man. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. No, Miss Ampedi, everybody done and come. Ambulance, and you have done only ambulance service into the problem cry. And now, the yearly say, openness to take a crab with the outwas here. Do not say, Kumasi stay by Plano. You couldn't put it out. Some Ghostway Castle shop here. You will not come every day. To send you moving now. Ghostway Castle shop, you will Kumasi in front of Newtown. You didn't labor office in the bank. Ghostway Castle shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Yasai ababio. Say dear. Yase. Ye ma ye tie for. Ene ya hwefo nyina. Esua nsano dwuma. Wei eye nsano dwuma. Ene ti se woni nsano dwuma. Bomodian se obenya nsano dwuma. Entra Ghana ha se obaye dwuma ba kope. Na wodi ayeye. Dabi asese wonya dwuma bebre. Eka dwuma wo ye ho. Sana ye tu kwa abrochi a ye no. Eno nti bra. Ne besua adwuma ni bi. Eka wo dwuma bi a wo ye eho. Eno nti se de. Ye de adwuma foforo ene de aba. Ye be chirechiro bees making. Eye senia. Ye sidi ahwene. Eye chain. Eye bags. Eye mpaboa. Eye niema bebre. Brani enchiro. Senia si eye no. Mushroom farming. Eno ye senia si edua emre. Unim se. Ubetimi de na wochi mienu pe. Edua emre. Amana fifi abokama. Ama wotimi atu adi. Ana wotimi atu akoton. Brani enchiro senia si eye no. Ye nuanom akuafoe. Ye gusu afrem se. Momra na umbesua senia si ye we decide. Edra ye digun haban so. Ama me hye ase kura. Babra entimi enka aduane na ewo mu no. Brani enchiro senia si ye no. Snail farming. Bra senia si eye enwa. Ubetima yen enwa ama na nyini kama. Ama wonso wakoton e de anya wusika. Wotimi de aye won kwan papa bi. Brani enchiro senia si ye no. Ye besanso achiro 3D epoxy and 5D epoxy. Say dear, someone wonim say 3D and 5D epoxy. Wo ye wo dem a etishren. Afei so ye besanso achiro liquid soap. Sa liquid soap yi ubetimi aton ye becho shower gel. Eye sinesi ye shower gel. Ama edi dware ama ye honam eye trom. Bra na ye chiro sinesi eye brown sugar. A wodi ba ye oniema bebre aton asanya sika. Ye besanso achiro mo sinesi ye power zone. Afei so ye bechiro sinesi eye tomato paste no eno ane ye fre no tea tomatoes. Bra na ye chiro kama na fa ye waduane ubetimi so aye akoton ama wonya sika bebre. Ye besanso achiro ice cream wo ye de show fridge ma de sa ne ma
we nyina ye kyerɛw na ye gyew 300 Ghana cedis pe obedi kan asend 50 Ghana cedis na afei ye dey register e dey amount ye register wa se wo fra kyiri ana wo ba na ye buku ba bi obeda eno achi no ye dey bi ebe handout e dey amount ye besa nso aye pen drive video ana se ye be kyerɛ ne nyina nso ye dey be gu so na e dey amount in case se ure fi bibia na wa fa na wa play na wa hwɛ na wa kaka ne nyina afei nso ye be ma wo aduane adi wo lunch a obedi na wia ne de ye dey be ma wo ne nyina ka 300 Ghana cedis obetua no ho na ya san kyerɛw enema wo nyina we de eye fofofo se wo pese obesua sansa no nyuma we nyina ene bomodi ase ebi we de obeba esan se wie sa nema ya boboso nyina ye de foforo ene beba eye dakope ene ye de kyerɛw eye Saturday 17th July mu ni da etoso edunson ene ye no eda ba akope ye de be kyerɛw nema we nyina kama pa eno ti no fa number na eda screen so no na send mobile money ede man sesi a o send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no ede aba send ko 0244294066 0244294066 afenso obetimi afresa na
Ewusia yensan ema mwakwaba oguso Sinopi. We are live on Kumaut TV, also live on Facebook and YouTube. Ijamre na afi yetumi edi enkomo sewala sabiu administrator de ma NDC sewala atnasi sewala nakwaba
ya dan
bako de
ye hu ye
bi ekoso
bibia de enkoso na ye hu ye
bibia enkoso sei
bibia enkoso sei
sa
bibia enkoso
Michael Boateng communication team of the NPP Oforikrom ono na kasama NPP Oforikrom constituency akwaba
no
bako de
eso adomoko na nso
emi adom set ye kama Oforikrom bako de
Oforikrom bako
maba na
nso oye nyina ya ba se abanya ba de nyina ya ba
eno na obi ka kire me se se wona ma hu MPP ne hu na hu Ghana ne nso ahu
sawo are eso be da bam
ze me mo
be nyina se na mu a de nyina
ba what does it say
oboko isa ye twen se nyamba ya adum na na do bebo ye chairman Kwame Twedin se MC7 no ejede amano na afene hu
na so Pakistan do
and ideally
also executive member different person ba na yende
said ni obi a baby ano yere nbesom na mum to me ne de
ye open no
can you say the chairman mumba because ye pe obi a at this moment na is be 2024 mu de ye pe obi a some party
okay
so what take party share ase no sansa nim eba administrative works so sansa very good
okay
let me abo nti oye administrative work no for the party juma so ye dey count and betimi abo because won't obet obese party for say e dey abre ya some party na so ye nya ehu hwe ye nya the BS na only obi on nim party awaye party adwuma akodu top one na the party ni eba bia eba onim ni enti a waba hodmo ofiri o so onim ni o so de mana okwad ni be obesere
okay
yes
wasi wonya kono ye chairman
na
also be MC
uhu bi da
obefa two now at the same time
oh they be said
say ade your friend say Dr. Professor Tefua o si na do dan kwakufu ado si ma party executive member bia position bia na fe ade na mokopre MC
right position yo so ono ne ho no and
it's essential come obey
tema
he's doing very fine entiale na mukukuru na fe say oba enche sa do beso kana was it chairman de what trap party mo
chairman party man
what the party share so
I don't know say what trap party no much
mamene so besom municipal na besom party almost pedo besom party
no senior party I did no local government I did no partisan
Debbie unu
partisan and what the chairman na wo say be
Sema kunu
friend say abekete so ye dwuma kama
Sema kunu
ho no ma beje adi
Sema kunu
hade
se walas as a person twist as mwa onim insema ye kan se believe you me say ba ko tell me any to betima ba power na wo tell ya 94 before say braba ye MC wadwa say braba ye MC wo yes o make braba ya da don't do that oh there be we party ni wabesum so I say na kwanya aba I say wow what pepasa opesa osum party the second term of Nana Dango Akufo-Addo no founding bra and na chairman to show interest so I say also person also babesum and na yen say hunu say ye chairman no why police station executive why constituency executive for on 2 consecutive time because why research officer why communication officer
that does not make a competent person to lead.
Yes, with him you're combining him now. He's not a lawyer and he's very competent. Okay. So I say and the phobia combined with combined with obia won say obia won say me e chairman won say no but obi be say e chairman was say obo won say
the chairman
won say baby ada won say baby ada asama ye party for won no can say this time round no obia wasum party no
so they might break 8 now.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, after every national issues, the issue of a jura this week, committee settings by Guso, I Koso, Omokrano, San Fedi Musen, Kabama, Penimum days to be count because 10 days now, when the moment they are there, or form recommend issues APP Mufri Hoba, the MCD or Kaya or no, one frame military beer, and then that of the police commander there or Kaya, so no frame military beer, regional minister there can say. No, NFM military mom ba ho military omo kan say omo so no omo de call ho ne omo call ho no they didn't go there so mo ko shoot but they see here no and ma they say na see here the regional minister can say the okum another 220 there now you hu doctor ono so ojira Kame hospital there or there ba say in all these things no ono so mo ikukum omo no e was say ke autopsy but pressure na youth no dey ma so be hospital no was release body no dey ma omo but who say two no e close from the back and a 2 year at the bomb rantiano, my pure monim, and the matters arising from a draft commission of inquiry sittings, and then that of the among penny any you are take on that party this position on that issue. Members of Parliament are $28 million about car at the amomo at me at them, and I feel poku ase interchange on penny at me a commission. Yankani na mum eni Ghana nkobo e wonu say census so koso
sure
and military na bo fuba o am scared mum ni susa 110 Ghana na do to office charge 700 Ghana a day
say any day okay me share hu omo dwumadi mi ye pa de but I know say definitely omo ko take data no uri data no wo data ni na ba na enso ho a I think that there are a lot of things are home office and on bay. And it may be a salary na the disparity no.
No say how many say na on my website say 150. A video mo kwaya na 110. At 40 umbusa so say untimi ajaye.
Oh, and there need much information about that. Yes. And I mean the entire be call online say this amount, but in reality no. They different. I think they say be omo such a you honma. They can just bring it up. Okay. So there's a penny for me assume na omotimi de prepare other
issues are
me starting from Pukiase. Okay. About penny Jumadia Sonko and the Tutum Koye. Yes, Sadoma Bia need na yeshe. Say no one of the responsibilities of making sure say mobility in such cities no a bit my coso. It say Sunday air course Pukiase no. Ye best omampenye ne road minister se bi zumna Kumase. Okay. Yes, because Kumase so here bi. Because me say ye be bi wo Araga Junction.
Was it been 5 within this 4 years?
Yes. Araga Junction so am run about in the GSM omu speed up na enu zumna Kumase. Because now no share enkran se ne honomo eye na eye. Yes, because that's the capital city of Ghana. Inti ebe omampenye so baso. Now share sikasem so a ekomu so a and the bachelor sampa MPP we are poised to protecting the public peace. Yes, because share near NDC John Mahama former president at the year was it Dubai interchange the amount of cool circle circle there amount of cool now share Pukiase there 40 now udi check out me say yes yes civil or minus sikapa
now when NDC for na 2016
they started but now only near 3 year
Okay.
So I say, you buying that same you know, it's the one that's I can want that same amount.
Okay.
So I say,
more bargaining power no you.
Sure.
To bargain well.
Yes. And in the be a casa people you have the men you can't in me intia ye casa.
Okay.
So you know me bo o man panya baso. Yes, and then send this phone start here. Now for you about so yes about so. I mean that's governance is what continuity. Into definitely I say no be say no. Ehwe say a project how do na aka kanyina no. Ehwe say man panyi so ehebo. So be say this time year 2024 there. You better to so na it say na be ya bitima save o man no. Isika na o manager padi bi ehwe ba bi a it say M1 na erotin so you bitima save. And then on president's president wives say no. In fact, me tell na kakra.
Okay.
Until say it mu a full story na say ade no krampo no enye ne na ade never start. O man penny ko for by 2020 2000. Everyone who said the state of past president omo yerenum no omo standard of living no nenye from le man the champon mo reba no say na ehun be hia so man no betima ye fa kwan bi so because obi otu no so abesom man no na na osom no odo yiri na som ye because there are one or two rows bi a oba na ye den eboaye etino say be man ni hodo mo ana say be man no hodo say o ma setene mu e hye de there so say o man to mi suit mi bua ni ti so ma sen kakra
ana no ye say o ma setene mu nye. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's almost standard of living. No? So, as exactly as compared to say,
almost standard of living here, na.
Better we say, yeah. So, we say,
so how did you get to know? How did they know? Say, ebinya.
And then yes, I'm telling you, and I soon say the nature of it. No, mean to be my riska, and it's my state in my riska. What by president now? Only one more as a worthy so. Near my riska. Nam tamba be president na me yere me so free so a was me the music ntin sa dey me dey do maniska no so I say ni o say di mo bia na di mo bia e na di mo a o man panyi dada onye ba bi ko Professor Mills bae obetoi o man panyi dada John Dramani Mahama o ba betoi o mo krampo die o mo increase sika do krampo kosoro
o mo increase same
as in percentage no die not now but o mo increase sika no as sika na de ma omo no omo bi kan it was increased
right mame ko amane so eni komo bi mra information ayenya from some enumerators omo ehwe population and housing census 2021 there so no say enye favorable mame ko amane so na me one of the enumerators encoding komo ano te men ka e mo adwo nyimre ibi aboko there if I just we are numerator, me boy. Ejumano mo ye and answer mo ye ko sa biara. Mo ya ne say bi me kura wa ya tete say mutumi kwatana ba bi na mo ano at least mo di kan kwa twetwe dan ho enya information kakra bi na mo ano mo twetwe bi gum sa because music asem bi ehun sensem music asem no say tete how much are you giving at the end of the day
contract and no 121 for a day.
Okay.
It is a mark 1.1, but we are in the case of a brochure. But the job of what I will say, 1.1.
Munya and Tiasa and Nasicana Brosa.
1.1 is true.
Nasa moya juma moya krate for the rabafo.
Bomba come on, you're going to be able to show there. Every time you're going to be able to. Okay, over there. I don't need you now to the salary.
So far, father is young man, sir.
Because so small a truck and everything. What do you ever be? Uncle, show me the ancient, but you're the truck and everything. I see the structure on now, so we are doing it. We are given motivation. We are kind of motivation is cut. The motivation is kind of the side of the but so now, conquer the whole tomorrow. Tell me to go to job and bring me there at the end. Can I get to show up with my okay? But if you look at the not a Skala be a wooden set of and stand out and the woman there. Because you look at some of the enemy who be tied back. Then the good now. With a child or church or the first passion. The best are 2 times I will go now to the arena.
Miss Ofa, how many days am I?
If you are cut to this movie, the my 14 days change. I better be on Sunday.
Oh, wow. Nti wo no ba bia wo no what me Drube saying percentage wise no how many have you been able to capture in terms of percentage?
Oh, percentage yes. You see I know that the minimum about 98%.
Wow.
I never
okay. Mo face challenges be someone a man for couldn't kita ho age data no. Have you been facing some challenges?
Initially, information on cost. Information that come out for you know. Now, cost, you require first that you are real of course, you feel good shy, without any chances, you know. Challenges very easy at the coin, let me say. And I say, because you know the TV here when you walk, you have the tear cost of local party. I think I have talked about it. But I never talk with this year, power. No power to cocoa. And who are very like that, as you are all permanent bush. A bit to come through to some of you.
Now, there's a more Mariana numbers to draw. Mariana move if you more German numbers. Dia mu ye mo de mo yam to do mo ko mo to do na eye anasa me mfi kakra bi wom
odoni aso de di na keze o de di service because we shall see no we shall see ye sombi pa me je na ere bi ko go no ere bi ko no ko to mo we di ma no because you na dey me do se e se ba o e de o system di no ko ya se na be te di and general to some of the young people and the people on the side here. If you look at the region area, the view of the time, the do so. If you question this with us,
well, I got 2 days here. It was I didn't know say yes and I na is so pan e hwe ne yanya sao.
You have 4 minutes remaining.
Wow. Okay.
100% total coverage inside the area. Because the number so the all the program when we also do am I really
okay ya na ase opani ni kodi nkomo yi enumerator population and housing census ekoso afimu no aka na bi no mo wi their challenges and information dey nya na din nkomo amana che so the challenges no these are 50-50 akoma pa no mo dey adwuma na 50% and akoma bon na 50% nti wi enso anso no so 50% etumi e dey amaye ba all in all na me adwuma kwasiada na nyina na abewe if you have not been counted omodia na ehwehwe de o area o kenkan mo no na ontumi enkan na entumi amwa because with you say account on account me no and be wa ban no ama the policies o make no ebetumi abo no tembe kini ye fair distribution of natural resources no etumi ayene sa ama no etumi abo well name what nka na fi other issues na
yeah name ma menka kakra bi census no
ketwe bi on that
ketwe bi yes so one of adeba kwa ama some of these challenges na ba no yanga say nuanom ndc for oh yes so wala say so nim and is aware o say e na ya be start no I think mirror fi MP kra or de e bi ba say census na e ba so no the MPP for aban no na dankoko for ado and the person or create additional constituencies and na always there were other reports so na say e ma Ghana for entry because say nya kan nko ade a aban na beje tax in for matter it say mba hwe na mo ampre mo man kan this some of these reports were by abontia na udi dem for bi 3
na ndc for na
na MP be kase mo si a say census na aban na ba no enye etrimpa enye adwene po na aban no e ba be but na mum eye say opese o create constituencies ntia it and we believe say wo kon ase me ndc ni a na aban ne ba say o ba so e ba be kan me a me meta so me kan me tell because I know say aban per se or they nya some grounds be no dey ade bi say the be wait may win power the next elections so I say did you use as one be a but ni na mu no did they say Ghana for unveil omo na makwan ma yen kai omo e di na ya de be boa ma oman no etimi akoso say na oban no e distribute the resources say ohun obo ni pado do e this area the pado do oman say the be called for loan bi as o compare e mo bi free bi kampa with me proper and better particulars we be there accord with me there accord and then back to salaries of first lady and then second lady wasem so they say na make no man pay ko for the buy no na ade a omaje from 2000 mo banano all the past first ladies and second ladies are omo no mukunu mawu kura mo tiase nyina no omo nyina enjoy even former president John Dramani Mahama na enjoy bi former president also Jan baby called George Rawlings also enjoy Misata former we say vice president also enjoy bi
na allowances na your salaries and you and I you need a difference between allowance and salary
but it was classified as such so I said they were all enjoying and at this now no now the Nakufado this we say or set up committee so the committee came out with the reports. So then Saturday the man in your formal. Okay. So the formal now say a parliament, not parliament approves okay. Then that in this case, every month be ano. Sa mammy for mom kunum besum kumbesum mine be ano. Busmi be young physical crying day. Sika for mom. Not official. Okay.
Aqua parliament, you say aqua parliament.
Okay, yes, and aqua parliament. Yes. So and Abba. So a news.
Why not?
Why should it be news? But already they were receiving it.
Allowance and salary. Oh yeah, aware of that.
Oh yes.
So we have come out TV. More allowances. Allowance kakra. Then more management can decide so you pay kakra for salary the other so but soon be no. Compose it yoka. Ejuma be no my year. And what motivated that decision say yam for monko back to 21 January na into become free ho ada na ekoye sana anya say well if it's after you decided there you man sha say now say you can say one penny the otisu na be dey ayerenom ayadwuma fi 2021 ti into boka na liman yere so ta o ye adwuma free ye no you ko ha say free ho na Are you also being fair to them when if you want to look at maybe a day chance here free no?
Yeah, on the committee. I think the committee started in 2019.
Yes,
or so yes. And the committee no reports on the buyer. No, on the Adebiano, your starting points. Are you getting it? Okay. It tell a committee na a proposal say this is where we should start from. Okay. Entirely no. Tell me no here. Entirely. Say yeah, back the from 2017. I don't agree.
Okay.
So I say because sabe omampanyi yire bene na bede chire sabe sa sika no mai nyina no omo bibidi dada.
Okay.
Omo didi. Fine, past a for na ebe omu ni djuma ebe omu djuma sem mo na no ko mo no ma bi no e ko form na bia ye support o ma I do agree. And I say bia now na bia committee na start say o salaries na bia o say tu o ka. So we should start from June here but there. They do agree. But to go to that extent say you started from 2017 emrano. Now say we share the accumulated amount na ideally say some no can ideally I'm not in support of that. But say na Ghana for as an answer man for perceive adwene say man pany person twa na yereka. And until I started from 2017 the be obenye sika no. Na person mu yi sa adwene free omtrim. Okay. Because adie no already no. E adie o mereda. Okay. Adie da on mo before during Kufuor's time. Former President Rawlings by Atamos by Obetwaso. And then John Dramani Mahama, former president also by also Obetwaso. Okay. And they even increased the money.
Okay. What is so, when you do akase late mills for 9 years? Na monument in Famano.
For 9 years.
For 9 years. Late mills.
Okay. In 9 years no. O free on mo no hamna na won mo.
Mahama na was on fie 9.
Very good.
Na kufara ba fie no. Ono kra obey mo ampe. Ono kra na oyem ampani no.
Yeah.
Na entitlement na was onya. Se wa free mu kra na was nke onya na busuafo etimi de bibi no. Onya e.
Onya ha enti ideally
again you know say abronye any 2 MPs eko court say article 71 amu ni mu bi yemfa modjuma post ni bi ono no ete asankragua aya adwuma ma adwuma ye numu akura no e bi ye kuno na yire ne mofa na ye mobo we didn't consider them. We are considering the president and they were teswa for the 4 years and now 8 years no the obedie the obeshe the obenum nyina no e free. Yes, yes, and Tiana Yerekadia. Are you being fair? What are they doing for us?
It's it's a woody as a ma or no book of your punk about the Kaya. See, Sasmo can say the most shares article 71 is misleading.
Oh, I'm so almost cabinet ministry. Minister
and per report on the capital side. A month for Neka. I don't think the report no has captured them.
I don't think, or that is what the report capture say. Okay. If you're Maka, Yamfa Omo Enche cabinet minister. So how much the cabinet minister is receiving now is 21,210 million. Almost Biano. Almost 210 million.
But say Uti, Miki, Unze, and say president they determine the salaries of executive. A committee. And that's the report of the committee. And the committee also the report to the parliament.
The parliament decide, yes.
Very good. And the parliament is minimum representatives.
Okay. So NDC says, NDC says that time they were 106. That was last year. Last year. And now almost past year. Yeah. So the NDC were in minority. It wasn't like this time and Kabita Kaso meet watch it. They were in minority. To move for almost so.
They move for almost. Now okay, Deputy. Say any name no tia ye kase. Not within this week. And that sir USA information minister Eba Bontia or make a reporter or Bekaya. What is NDC ni bia de bia kasada. NDC MPC bia bia kasada.
Anko wala somra. Zamaras. Anko. So don't you these issues they are not to Jakra this week. I was avoiding channel bra. Na enyamre kenkan fama.
With the census.
Okay.
2010. The last time a year census Afina AEB.
Okay.
That was when Meros was the president of Ghana. 2009. During that time, Sikai tried the year census. 17 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Says here the only 521 million.
Okay.
30 times. 10 years.
So enough for you saying.
Who am I saying?
Now a more 5 kilos less.
Until no boss, they say nobody 10 times said the next 2000 Adimana. Is that what we are saying? They say 2010, 17 million. 2021, 10 years, 11 years after, no, I increased it by 521 million. It's the teacher need salary. They say, oh, they say me, 2010. And then the 30 times 2010. I didn't think that no Musa. Now be on no census enumerator. Or in the number fear, come upon so, we, that man 1.1. Not your two office, no, your money 7 million. I mean, what is the logic?
There is logic in this.
Me, I mean, Namna, me, you win, Brubia boom, and it's here, Jima Temno. Dako, your mamma 1,100,000. Not your two office, no, I won't cover Biano. Your money 7 million a day.
Okay, so what it means, they say, the office, no, numerators, no, or more our catchment areas. Will be our best and the particulars at the command office, no, the office, no, a bit me a share. And the numerators maybe about 15 at the end. Do you get a point? No. About 50. Wait. Say be a district, no. Maybe a 400 enumerators. Home office, no, we have Mojumano. Be 8 per. Until you must understand. So Mojumano so saying when numerator now offered no.
Until so within 2 weeks, no. 7 times 40, 98 million in 2 weeks. Look at Muntio. For 7 million a day, no 14 days, no, 98 million. And at the according to no, 14 days near 10 million. Well, I mean, why?
How come 14 days at 10 million?
7.1 times 14. 7,421.
Also, 100 Ghana crown.
1.1.
1.1.
It's about 14 million.
Can I say, bro? It's 15, somewhere 15.4. 1,540 Ghana.
15 million.
Yes.
Anyway, so you 98. 98, 15. 98, no, I was 30 GBO. As an officer in the I didn't know what 30 GB. Sikadino Dawson. 17 million to 521 million. At day. When you be the near can Michael Diakoti baby. No. What we were saying was this. Last year, at a 4 year, I didn't Ghana card. One register all those who were 18 years and above. Until the data is there already for all those who were 18 years and above. Until ideally, no, one no 18 at that time. Those are the people we must capture now. Because 18 years and above, you know, data no hold that.
Okay.
In Tuesday or so. There was a gentleman sitting at the said Michael to na my wife and my daughter. Grown am Tiano, Tiano come on. Oh, what to say, me here, and I'm call inside from the hall to the bedroom. About 5-10 minutes after me Saba and Unia Koniho. And I Busa said, na, you're not Tiano, a friend like a Busa or a wine. Also a census enumerator. Now particulars no yen the amano. What's the meaning of this?
Me cry no. Maybe could be a cry na. Date of birth, my wife, the man no. Na